If you click on this video, it's because you want to know more about VitalFlow. Pay close attention to what I'm going to say here. In this video I'll tell you the whole truth about this product, if it works, if it's really worth it, how to take VitalFlow and how long to take it. I also have a very important information to tell you, so that you don't lose money when searching for this product to buy. I have seen many lies being told about VitalFlow here on the internet, saying that it brings miraculous results, that it's a magic formula, and actually that's not how it works. So watch this video very careful to let you know definitely if VitalFlow is worth it or not. And for those who don't know, VitalFlow is an all-natural supplement that is made exclusively for older men. The manufacturers claims that the ingredients present within the VitalFlow prostate support formula are fast and effective in their action. Therefore, it can quickly relieve the user from the symptoms of prostate enlargement. It comes back to its normal size within a short time and helps a person feel comfortable. This product helps to keep the prostate in a healthy condition even at a very old age. As a result, it also improves sexual life and relieve the user of difficulties like incontinence and ejaculation pain. But then you should really invest your money in VitalFlow? Is it really worth it? Is this product safe? And to be honest with you guys, yes, VitalFlow really delivers what it promises. This product is approved by FDA and made in a GMP certified facility. It includes 100% natural plants and herbs and doesn't contain any toxins or chemical substances that may harm your health. So if you use it correctly, you can get the promised benefits, including a significant relief from BPH symptoms and other prostate health conditions, improved bladder health and tissue rejuvenation near the prostate area, significantly reduces the inflammation caused by the raging prostate gland, prevent infection. The antioxidant effect of VitalFlow ingredients help prevent cancer cells. It also improves sex life and libido, give better reproductive health. In addition, overall immunity is boosted by the removal of harmful toxins and pathogens. And the manufacturers of VitalFlow give a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't get results or don't like the results for any reason, just send an email to the support team and they will refund your money back. That way you don't run any risk for trying. And the correct way to use VitalFlow is to take 2 capsules daily with a glass of water, and the manufacturers of this supplement recommend that you use it for at least 3 months. Already in the first weeks you'll be able to feel some results, but to achieve really expressive and satisfactory results, it's necessary to use for at least 3 months, so much so that on the official website they provide several kit options. And the most important information I want to share with you is regarding the purchase of VitalFlow. If you want to buy it, you need to be aware of the following. This supplement is becoming very famous because of the results it has provided to its users, and that's why there are many products with similar names to VitalFlow being sold here on the internet. And then people get confused when they go searching on Google or Bing to buy VitalFlow and end up throwing money in the trash by buying the wrong product, which doesn't promote any benefit that the real one delivers. So if it helps you guys, I'm leaving the link to the official website of VitalFlow here below in the video description and in the first fixed comment. Purchasing through the official website, you'll be buying directly from the factory. You'll receive the real VitalFlow in your house, approved and certified by FDA and with a 60-day money-back guarantee. And that was the video. I really hope I've helped you to know the whole truth about VitalFlow. This is a natural and safe product that really works. It's really worth it, but you need to use it in the right way and for the right time. And if this video has helped you, I ask that you leave your like. Thanks for your attention and see you guys.